Hey everybody, on this video we got a Hyundai Sonata lock. I got this from a junkyard without keys. Did make some keys for it, and they work alright. Now I don't do automotive locksmithing, but kind of just dabble around with it. We're going to try to actually pick this with a Lishi 2-in-1 decoder, and this goes it's a pick-in decoder. Says it's got, goes cuts 3 through 10. Now these are 10 cut keys, but the door only has 8 cuts, 3 through 10 in it. So, and if you hear that gunfire sound in the background, it's New Year's Eve, so not saying it's not gunfire, but it's probably fireworks tonight. Okay, I'll get the decoder and pick in there. Make sure it's all the way in. And we'll see if we can get this guy open. Yeah, the way these work is like any other lock pick, really put some tension on it. And now these have wafers, some go up, some go down. So you just go one of the next here. If they're springy, leave them alone. If they're binding, then you just kind of push on them until they click. And these lock has one down, one up, like that. Some are like 2 down, 2 down, 2 up, 2 up. But this one is just up, down, or whatever. Okay, and I'll go back through. One still springy. 2 I think is picked. There goes number 1 that was holding this up. So that right there is picked. And then if one were so inclined, once it's picked, you can use the decoder to go through and you just tap it on the wafer down to the number over here. So for example, cut number 3 would be a 1, You go to the next one. Maybe looks like a 3. Next one, and so on and so forth, and you can actually decode the keys in the door and then progress your way through the ignition and actually get a working key for it. But anyway, that's a Hyundai door lock picked with the Lishi tool, and that will do it for this video. And if I don't make any more tonight, Happy New Year's, and that'll do it for now.